Hey guys, Joseph here. Welcome back to another video. And by the way, this video is sponsored by Vont RGB LED lights. But wait, don't leave yet. Let me just show you something really cool. Hey Google, turn on office lights.
Photo shoot. Pause.
Wait, that was the wrong video. So inside the box we have the LED strip. This is a 16.4 feet size. Here we have the controller. Very simple design but effective. And here is the power cable. Personally, I wish they start using USB instead. It just will be much easier to install it on my desk. They also include alcohol pads and the installation hardware. Now before installation, I always like to test the kit to make sure that everything works properly. Now I decided to start from this corner, so I just go around the edge. Now the point is to hide the actual strip so you can only see the lights. Now here's how the lights look from behind. Okay, so here is your controller. It is very basic. On top we have the power button. You press it, you turn on or off the light. Very cool, right? On this one in the middle, you can change to different colors. There's purple, there's white. I mean, there's many different colors that you can choose from. Let's just leave it on green right now. All right, and this one, this button, it activates a different function. So for example, right now, this controller also has a little microphone right here, so you can control the light with either music or in this case, my voice. But if you leave it quiet, it'll turn into breathe mode. So it's sort of like sleeping, but it's breathing. But I want to be loud and clear. Okay, nice. So now let's go back into a solid light. Okay, it's gonna stay steady, but if you press and hold this function button, you can actually control the brightness. So here is the lowest, 2, 3, 4, 5. That is the brightness, the brightest mode that you can have right now. So that is basically what this remote or controller does. Now once you download the app, this is how it looks. Vont Home. You open up the app and then you're going to have to set up your account. It is super easy. All you have to do is just put your email, put your password, check on your email, and then just go back to the app. Once you open up the app, look for the smart strip light 16.4 feet or whatever size you purchased. And that's it. It's going to link to the strip light really quick. So okay, once you do that and then you finally open up the app, you have a very simple control right here. Pretty much you can control the power off and on. You can also control the brightness. I like that. It's very simple. Just click on that and then you have more options right here. Once again, you have the power option on top, and then you can schedule the light strip whenever you want it to turn on or just shut off with the timer, which is really nice touch. You can also control the brightness again here. Then we have different modes. So we have the music mode, which I already showed you how the music works, and then we also can customize the colors. Right here we have different color choices. You can change it to green, to orange, to purple. Purple, I think it looks nice on purple right here in my room. Everything looks nice. Then over here in color scenes, we have so many different options. We have the party, we have the candle, we have the Christmas. So it's just different scenes. This is for nature. I mean, you have so many scenes. This is the lightning. Yes, you get the point. Over here in do it yourself, you can pretty much set up whatever lights you want to see throughout like a cycle, right? And you can save that. I call this the Maximus. And that is pretty much it. I mean, this is a very simple application. I wish the lights had a little bit more options, like to move side by side or go around and do crazy stuff. But I guess this is very simple for what I needed. I think this is worth the price. It sells for $23 for the 16 feet. There are more sizes available and the price obviously increases a little bit more, but it is very basic and I kind of like it. The light strip that I have is very long, it's very big, but if you don't need the whole light strip, there are some indications right here which you can cut with scissors and you just use whatever you need. I really don't like to cut them because I feel like I'm wasting all this other you know. So I'm gonna find a way to just like install it there without cutting as much. But yeah, you have that option too. You can also connect this to your smart home devices. In my case, I have Google. Hey Google, turn off office lights. Boom, there you go. Super easy. I mean, I turn off almost every LED light that I have here in my office. Hey Google, turn on office lights. There you go. I like that. Check out the link in the description of the video if you want to purchase these lights. And also, while you're down there, leave a like and subscribe to the channel. I'm Joester, and I'll see you guys on the next one. Joester out!